pressure, no? Pressure is held constant. Okay. Okay. So there are ways how to make this. For example, now this is a tank, and inside the tank is you have a fluid. Okay. Ano naman yan po? Here, inside the tank, there could be a fluid. Okay. And for example, there's a gas here. You are paddling it, or there is a process of, let's say you are introducing heat, no? You're introducing heat, no? If this tank doesn't increase in volume, no? So for example, the process is, the volume is held also constant, and you are going to maintain inside a pressure that is also constant. So normally, what we are going to do with here is you have some relief bulbs, no? So imuha na siyang na ay mga relief bulbs diha. So sometime it is called a PRB, no? So PRB, that is a pressure relief valve. Okay. So that's a pressure relief valve in order to maintain the pressure inside at constant pressure. So pwede siya, no, to maintain a constant pressure. So you are introducing some relief bulbs, no, para number one, for safety purposes. That's the function of pressure relief valve. Or also in a process wherein the volume can expand, no? So for example, this is a expandable system. Okay. And you are going, there's a gas here, and you are going to introduce heat. This particular system can increase its volume. It can also have an increased volume, thus maintaining the pressure to be constant. Okay. So the process is called isobaric. Okay. So number one, if we are talking about letter A, if we are talking about the, what we call this, the PB and the TS diagram. So we have the PB and the TS diagram. So here, looking on a PB diagram, let's have first the TS diagram. Okay, this is the TS diagram. So for the TS diagram, it is, it's something like this. Same with, somehow same curve with the constant volume, no? So here, this is from process 1 to 2. Take note, the process is reversible, so it can go from 2 to 1 also. And if you try to take note at the, this one is the is the constant pressure process. Okay. If you want to note the other way around, katong isobaric na adiri ang isobaric eh. Only see this is 0.2. And this one is the isobaric process. Sorry, the isovolumic process. This is volume is constant, and this one is the isobaric process. The pressure is constant. Just to distinguish between the two processes, so mas higda si constant pressure. Okay. So in the TS diagram, you know already. In the TS diagram, okay. In the TS diagram, we know already if we are going to get the area here, this one is Q, no? This one is Q. Okay, so the area bounded by the curve is in the TS diagram is always Q. Okay. And in the PV diagram, in a pressure and volume diagram, okay, so since the process is a constant pressure process, so obviously you will see this process, no? Kana siya kay constant pressure man. So this is 0.1 and this is 0.2. Okay? Wherein P1 is equal to P2 is just equal to P. Okay? So, and it is equal to constant, a certain constant. And in the isobaric process, okay, so we know already the area here is the work non-flow. So this is a flow work. Okay, so here, if you have here the value of your dP, this is the work steady flow. You already know that it is zero. Okay, wala may area diya, no? And here you have your dV. You know there is an area, so you will see a value of your work non-flow. Okay, so letter B, we will deal now with the relationships. We have the P, D, and T relationship. Okay, so since pressure is constant from the ideal gas, the combined ideal gas law, we have P1, sorry, P1 B1 over T1 is equal to P2 B2 over T2. Since P1 is equal to P2, so this will be cancelled out. So that makes B1 T1 equals to B2 over T2, no? And moreover, you can also say that T2 will be equal to T1. Yeah, B2 over B1. So these are and letter C, we have the work non-flow. Or the non-flow work. Okay. WFN. Okay. So the work non-flow, we know already it's the integral from the limits 1 to 2, that is PdV. Okay. So looking at the PV diagram, siya value, no? So since P is constant, so ang constant ato man ang ipagawas, no? So the work non-flow will be T, the integral of dV. So your work non-flow, if you are going to apply limits, that will be P. This will be B2 minus B1. Okay. So take note that P can be a value of P1, can also be a value of P2. So that is your work non-flow. So that's the formula of your work non-flow. And letter D. Letter D. That is your work steady flow or steady flow work. So this will be your WFS. Okay. So we know that work steady flow is the integral from limits 1 to 2 B dP. Okay. And this will be work steady flow, that is B. You will have a value of B, for example, and this will be P2 minus P1. And since your P1, so your P1 is equal to P2, so this one will be 0. So that makes your work steady flow for isobaric classes is equal to 0. So sa board exam, nga nira siya kasayon, no? Usahay pangutanon ra for an isobaric process where pressure, that's pressure is constant. So what will be the steady flow work? Okay. And letter E. Letter A. Okay. For the letter A, we have the change of internal energy. Okay. Delta U. So delta U, for an ideal gas, for delta U, that is MCV. MCV delta T. Okay. MCV delta T. Or that's delta U, that is MCV T2 minus T1. You can have it in ordinary temperature, or you can also have it in absolute temperature. Because take note, you know already that here we have okay, delta T in ordinary is equal to delta T in absolute, right? You know already that one. And next is we have the F, you have the delta H. So your delta H is MCP. Okay, dt, delta T. So your delta H is MCP T2 minus T1. Then we have letter J. We have letter J. Our letter J is the heat transfer. The heat transfer. Q. So Q is equal to delta U plus flow work. No? So your Q is equal to delta H in this case. No? So, of course, if you are going to have it, no? So your Q is just equal to MCP T2 minus T1. Okay. Now we have the change of entropy. H. Delta S. Okay. So your delta S, it's diba? dq, it is dq over t. Okay. And q is m, diba, is equal to delta H, diba? Delta H over T. Okay. And because your heat is equal to delta H, no? So this will be M Cp delta T or over T. Okay. This T also here, this T can also be in capital value, no? Okay, pwede sa next year, no? So if you integrate from 1 to 2, that is M Cp dt over T. Since mass is constant, Cp is constant, so you will have here delta S, that is Mcp integral 1 2, that is dt over T. Okay. So if you notice the integration formula for dt over T, that becomes ln. No? So your delta S is now M Cp ln. Okay, that's ln T2 over T1. Okay, so that's the formula. If you try to look at the relationship of T2 over T1 here, okay, T2 over T1. Take note, or here, it's you have here T2 over T1. That becomes B2 over B1, right? Pwede na siya. So, si T2 over T1 is B2 over B1 dahil gihapon. So, or you can say that your delta S as, okay, so here from T2 over T1 is equal to B2 over B1. You can say that delta S, that is MCP Ln, can be also be B2 over B1. Okay. So that's the process, no? So you have to familiarize also what are these formulas, no, in the isobaric process. But you don't have to memorize them. You have to analyze everything, no? For example, from the TS diagram and the PE diagram, then I guess everything will be solved, no? But of course, if you are into a quiz bowler, no, I think there are some of you are very good in thermodynamics, no? So you might be joining us next year, no? Isa kayo maka-join na to next year dito sa to ang quiz bowl sa Manila. Wa ra ba ta wa ra ba ta mada sa qualifying round kay kulata ta sa mathematics, no? Na ba? Nay potential na to dire. Anyway. Okay, so that's the process, no? Now let's unya na lang kining example at lang ni siyang tingubon next meeting. So I will introduce one last topic. This is the isothermal process. So number 3, actually there are 5 no processes. We have the isothermal process. Okay. So the isothermal process is when the temperature is held constant. Okay. So it is also a reversible, no? It is a reversible constant temperature process. Reversible constant temperature process. Okay. So very simple, no? For example, you are just making the temperature constant, muhunong siya, no? Nanay daghang mga process in tank na inabot ang temperature. Muhunong siya, no? For example, sa atong refrigerator, usahay, no? Nag-abot niya at a desired temperature, iyan ang i-maintain. Dili pa niya, muna mo paong ang compressor, mandang sagbalik, no? Or if you are cooking on something and you want a constant temperature, kung katong mga high-end nga mga burners, pwede rin mo i-maintain ang temperature sa inyong system. Okay? So, natay mga gauge, mga temperature gauges. So, I will go directly to letter A. We have the TS, the TS and PV diagrams. Okay. So for the TS diagram, so temperature is still constant. So meaning to say, T1 will be equal to T2, no? So how to do that is just straight line here, no? Straight line, let's say. So you have, for example, this is point 1 and this is point 2. The temperature is, the process is going from 1 to 2. Take note, this is a reversible process. So it can go from 2 to 1 also. Okay? So that is the TS diagram. So if you notice on a TS diagram, okay, so there is a value of heat. No? Okay, so there is that Q. Balik-balik yung guni kay sa board exam ang gawas ay what is the property under below the curve of a TS diagram. So that is it. So for here we have the PV diagram. Okay. So for the PV diagram, the process will be like this. Curve. So if this is point 1 and this is point 2. Okay. So here, this is the temperature is constant, or kung ningon ta, when the temperature is held constant, it will become PB is also constant, no? Sa katong ito ang first nga illustrations, no? So here, kung sa ideal gas pa na ito nga illustrations. So you will have a value of a non-flow work, no? So you will have here a non-flow work. On the other hand, you will have also a value of your steady flow work. So here, so you will have here the WFS. So puro sila na i-value, no? Okay. So now let's have the letter C, letter B. So let's have now the pressure, volume, and temperature relations. Okay. So from the ideal gas law, combined law of Charles and Boyle, so we have P1, B1, T1. We have P2, B2, T2. Yeah, since T1 is equal to T2, so cancelled out na siya. So the equations will be P1, B1 and P2, B2 is actually constant, no? Si PB, no? So PB is constant, no? So it's PB. Okay. And we can have, yeah, we can have it P1 over P2, and this is B2 over B1. Okay, so you can rearrange actually the equations. Okay. Now let's have the mm, l- letter C, the work non-flow. Okay. The work non-flow is the integral 1 to 2 PdB. Okay. So that is PdB. And we know also is from saan naman akong mouse? Okay. From PB is held constant. So we are going to replace P with B, no? So it will be B equals C over P, right? So, or, nabalik ko, no? It's we have P equals C over B. Okay. So we are going to trans replace F's. Line. Okay. We're going to replace that one. Okay. So it will be the work hand flow. It will be the integral 1 to 2, and this will be C dB over B. Okay. So if you integrate and apply the limits, that will be your work non flow equals C, the integral of 1 to dB over B. Okay. But C equals PB, right? So ako di siyang ibalik diri. So your work non flow that will be PB, and the integral ng dB over B, that is ln B2 over B1, no? So, okay. Since PB is constant, so pwede sa ni siya o so P1 B1 is equal to P2 B2 is equal to PB, no? That is constant. So, kining value diri nga PB can handle the the values of subscripts 1 and 2, no? So pwede sa initial P1 B1 ln B2 over B1, okay? Or work non-flow can be P2 B2, di ba? Ka-equal naman siya ln B2 over B1, no? So pwede rin na silang equations. Okay. Also, if you try to go back here, P1 P2 is equal to B2 over B1, no? You can have or P2 P1 P2. So you have P1 over P2 is equal to B2 over B1. So you can also make the equations. Your work non-flow can be P1 B1 ln of P1 over P2. Pwede sa na siya. Okay. Straight line. Or your work length flow can also be P2, B2, ln of P1 over P2. Okay. So, pwede siya nga relationships, no? Or, pwede pa yung lain. Or, PB equals to MRT. Diba? So, this can be P1, B1, MRT1. Or pwede sa siya P2, B2. Sorry. Ito na lang ilain. Kaya mausap. It can handle with P1, B1 equals to MRT1, no? Or it can be P2, B2 equals to MRT2. Okay? So, kining mga PB diha, pwede na nato mailisan, no? Or, you can say, your work length flow can also be MRT1 ln of P1 over P2. Or simply B2 over B1, no? Or work length flow equals to MRT2 ln P1 over P2. So you can have that relationship depende kung unsay gihatag, no? Okay. So that is for the work length flow. Now let's have the work steady flow. Saan mo nga letter? Letter D. The work steady flow is the negative integral of BDP. By the way, kalimot ko, that's the negative integral. Ato balikon diri si babaw. Although siya value, here it's the negative integral. Yan ay negative, ha? So what's in there in the work steady flow? For the isothermal process, you will observe na saan mo niya pong mouse? From PB is constant. So kining volume diri atong ilisan, that will be C over P, no? So your work steady flow, that is the negative integral 1 to 2, that is C over P, no? Kay kanang B atong ilisan ani, no? Okay. That's C over P dP. Okay. So that becomes a negative C, the integral 1 to 2, and this will be dP over P. Okay. That's the WFS. Okay. And of course, it will be your WFS. It's the negative. What is C is PB, diba? Negative PB, okay, ln P2 over P1. Okay. Okay. If you notice, uh, ln from algebra, and the properties of ln. So ln P2 over P1 will be equal to the negative ln of P1 over P2. Do you agree with me? Anybody? Are you still there?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So it will be the word WFS, it will be the negative PB, yeah, negative ln P1 over P2. So negative, negative. So the negative, negative. So your work steady flow will just be PB ln. Imagine mo siyang positive, di ba? P1 over P2. So kung tanawin ni magmaayo diri sa work steady flow, PVL and P1 over P2 equal ra day siya. Okay? So thus your WFS is equal to the workman flow. So meaning to say kining mga tanang formula nga akong gisuwat this will carry out as equivalent to work steady flow. Okay, sabot na tana, ha? Equal ra siya. Okay. Then we have letter A. Letter A. We have the delta U. The delta U is MCB T2 minus T1. Can either be ordinary or absolute. Since T1 is equal to T2 or T1 is equal to T2, so this will be cancelled out. Mouse. So this will be 0. So for the isothermal process, your change in internal, obviously, because internal energy is always brought by the change in temperature. Yeah, since what my change in temperature, so delta U is 0. So again, sa board exam, ingon nga, what is the change of temperature? What is the change of internal energy for an isothermal process? That's probably 0 good ang answer. No? Oh. Okay, ang board exam sa high basic naman kayo. If we tend to forget the basic, mauna na dahil problema, no? And delta U, delta H, and delta H, that is CP niya T2 minus T1. Gihapon, no? And again, this one is 0. So that makes your delta H equals 0. Okay. Okay. Niya dayon ato ang letter F, letter G. Ato ang Q. Ato ang heat transfer. Okay. So for our heat transferred Q, we know that Q is okay. We know that Q is delta U plus the work non flow. Okay. So your U is 0, right? Okay. So your Q will be equivalent to work non flow. Yeah. Unsa man yung mga work non flow? So katong mga formula sa work non flow. Kini balik ko sa diri. Di ba? Kana siya. Kana niya nga mga formulas. Which is also equivalent to equal to the work steady flow, no? Which is equivalent to usahay sa word exam pang tanon ka a zero, negative, positive, or infinite baron ning ana, no? So mo yung mga choices. So you must know this one, no? Okay. So I think no need to rewrite the formulas. Kay pariharan na siya. Just refer to these formulas. Balik na sa dalihan, no? Okay. And letter ganahan so admit dugaya ni gagawin doon na tahuman better late than never. I'll get the attendance balik, no? So for the last one, let's have the delta. Saan naman yung delta S, right? H. The delta S. Okay. It is the integral of dq over t. Okay. And yeah. Pero kini, I would explain this one a little bit simpler, you know? Akong ibalik. Di ba mao man ni si TS. And we have here 0.1 and 0.2. And the area okay. Pwede na kang di mag-integrate ni, no? Okay, you know already that this one is Q. Okay. This one is Q. So that is a rectangle, no? So kung kuha ni mo si Q, it is this one. That is delta S. So this one is S1. This one is S2. And this one is T1. This is T1. And the same here, T2 here, no? And T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T, no? Or you have T1 is equal to T2 is equal to T. Okay. Since we are calculating, we are using the absolute temperature. So this is a rectangle. So the rectangle is length times width, right? So your Q, it is an area of temperatures and delta S, an entropy. So that will be T times delta S. Okay? Very simple, no? Q is the temperature wherein T1 can also be T2 equals to T. So your Q now, kasi delta S may atong gipangita di ay, no? So your delta S will be Q over T. Diba? Over T. So that could be is equal to Q would be a T1 and is equal to Q would be a T2, no? Kana siya nga relationships. Okay? So mo na ang ako ang delta S. But Q, if you try to look at it, what is Q? Q, kung ari ko diri is equivalent to work non flow, mangita ako og naay temperature. Kini kay temperature man to related. Work non flow is ln P1 over P2. So since Q is equivalent to work non flow, which is equivalent to mR T1 ln P1 over P2. Okay. So I can substitute, thus my delta S will be equivalent to Q, and Q is mR T1 ln P1 over P2 all over T1. All over T1, right? So, cancel out na siya. So, I can say that that's my delta S. That is mR ln P1 over P2. Okay? So, inisag ka na. Or you can say your delta S can be mR ln. This will be B2 over B1, no? Okay, we know already P1 over P2 is equivalent to B2 over B1. Okay? So, ganito rin erase. Okay. Or you can always do with integration, no? Delta S is dq over dt, di ba? dq is m's atong mga kuan na, work non flow. So balik ra gihapon. So I'll just prove it not using the integration. So by just simply looking at the TS diagram, no? Oh, kato lang length area is length times width, no? Okay. So this one ends our class for today. And we'll have examples of the three processes next meeting. Yeah, for the recording and the notes anini, I will post directly. Ang recording later na kay kuan man ang recording kanang dugay pa man ihatag limit, no? Karon siguro hapon. Okay, so ako ganahan ta ko i-discuss ni in the class. Pero sige lang, taon man, we have to keep everyone safely. Safety is the first priority. Safety first, no? Ang gimin ko noon ng safety first is have ourselves in safety first.